Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sel. I am so happy you're here. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for tons of cleaning motivations and lots of home organization. I upload new video every single week. So for today's video, we are going to tackle my under the kitchen sink cabinet. It's down there. It's a mess in there and it's stressing me out. We moved in this house back in September 2020 and I haven't organized that since then. I just haven't get the chance to do so. So today we are going to tackle that. Let's get this video started. Alright guys, so these are the beans that I think I am going to use. I got these from Target. They are by this Made by Design brand. I like it because it's kind of clear. It's not too clear. I don't really like super clear container under here because I feel like it's gonna look so cluttered. So I like this because I can still see through them, but not so much. So these ones, no, actually this, I think this is $2, this is $4, this is $6, and that one in the back is the bigger one. I think it's $7 or $8. Once again, I got them from Target in store, but if I can find them online, I will link them in the description box below for you all. And then up here, I picked this up. It's supposed to be like a spray bottle holder. And I don't know, I think it was so cool. So I think I'm going to use this under there, but we'll see what I'll use. I pick up some other stuff because I'm gonna go use this for the other area of my house. And then I just have my cleaning cloths here. And I'm also going to use this dry erase marker. I picked this up from Target too, by the dollar spot area. And then my chalkboard sign is from Hobby Lobby. So I forgot to mention, I am going to use this drawer liner. I got this from Target a long time ago and this is just leftover. So I'm going to use this for under here so that it would look a little bit nicer than it is now. Also, I have this light that I have for a long time now. And since it's very dark in here, this is battery operated. So I'm going to use this. See how it's like lighting everything. Right now, this is just sitting here, so when I get something here, I use this still, but I am actually gonna glue this or stick this on the wall and use it here. So look at that, it's very bright, and this is very cheap. I think I got this from Walmart for, I believe it's $5 for two. I can't find the other one, but this is like really old, so I'm so glad it's still working. And I do really like that you can press it. And then when you're done, you can just press it off. I don't really like those motion sensor one because they take so long to turn off and your battery dies fast. So this one, if you just need to grab something really quick, but you can't see under here, like let's say it's only 2 or 3 seconds, you turn it off and you didn't use that much battery. So that's why I really like this. I am gonna try to find this online too if you are interested for something like this, and I will link it in the description box below for you guys. Here's the current situation here. It's a mess. I'm gonna throw away the ones that I think I'm not gonna use anymore, but I feel like everything that's in here I really do pretty much use. Not on a daily basis, but I feel like I do. So I'll go put what I want to put in those bins, and then I'll show you guys what those are. I am so excited to show this to you guys. I'm all done. I'm so happy how it turned out. Now instead of stressing out every time I open my under the kitchen sink cabinet, I am happy and it makes me smile. So if you guys get inspired and you like and enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know you're enjoying this and I will make more like this. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. So I'll show this to you now. I'll talk to you guys soon on my next video.